Hey everyone, welcome back to Time for Growth. Today we're going to explore some of the most common English expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversation. The kind of phrases you don't usually find in textbooks, but you hear all the time in real life. So if you want to sound more natural and confident when speaking English, stay tuned until the end. Let's begin. Let's start with something we all do every day, greetings and small talk. Instead of always saying hello or how are you, try using these expressions. Hey, what's up? Casual and friendly. How's it going? Sounds natural and relaxed. Long time no see. Perfect when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while. Example. A. Hey, what's up? B. Not much, just been busy with work. C. Simple, friendly, and natural. 2. Expressing feelings and reactions. We often want to express how we feel, excited, tired, or surprised. Here are some everyday phrases you can use. I'm beat means I'm very tired. That's awesome shows excitement. No way. Use it when you're surprised. I'm in the mood for when you want something. Example, I'm in the mood for pizza tonight. Real life mini scene. A. Let's go out for dinner. B. Yeah, I'm in the mood for sushi. 3. Making plans. In daily life, we make plans with friends or coworkers. Here are some natural expressions you can use. Let's catch up soon. Means you want to meet and talk. Sounds good. Shows agreement. I'll get back to you. Polite way to say you'll respond later. I'm down for that. Means I'd love to do it. Example. A. Want to grab coffee tomorrow? B. Sure, sounds good. I'm down for that. 4. Everyday work and study phrases. If you use English at work or school, these expressions will help. Let's get started. Good for meetings or study sessions. I'm on it. Means I'll take care of it. Let's call it a day. When you finish work or studying, I'll keep you posted. Means I'll update you later. Example. Boss, can you send me the report? Employee. Sure, I'm on it. 5. At home or with friends? Here are some casual, friendly expressions used in everyday talk. Help yourself means go ahead and take what you want. Make yourself at home. When someone visits you, take it easy means relax. You've got this. Used to encourage someone. Example. A. I'm nervous about my exam. B. Don't worry, you've got this. 6. Expressing gratitude and politeness. Showing gratitude makes conversations warmer and more natural. Try saying, I really appreciate it. That means a lot. No worries. Informal way to say it's okay. Anytime means you're always welcome. Example. A. Thanks for helping me with my English. B. No worries. Anytime. 7. Useful daily expressions you can use anytime. Let's go through a few more common ones that you can use in almost any situation. You never know means anything could happen. It's up to you. Give someone a choice. Fingers crossed means I hope it goes well. That's the plan. Confirms what's decided. Example: A. Do you think it'll stop raining? B. Fingers crossed. 8. How to practice these expressions. Now that you've learned these expressions, here's how to make them part of your daily life. Listen to short podcasts or YouTube clips in English. Repeat the expressions out loud. Don't just read them. Try using at least 3 new phrases each day when chatting with friends or online. Consistency is key. The more you use them, the more natural they'll sound. 9. Quick recap. Today, we learned how to use everyday greetings. C. Expressions for feelings. Work and study phrases. Polite and friendly ways to talk. Say great, embraced, enjoy the next sentence. Remember, you don't need to memorize everything at once. Start small. Pick 5 expressions today and practice them in real situations. By learning these common expressions, you're not just studying English. You're learning how to communicate naturally, just like a native speaker. And share it with someone who's also learning English. See you in the next one.